How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how many jumping jacks per day for beginners to get abs. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So jumping jacks are an amazing exercise for beginners for getting six-pack abs. Jumping jacks are actually extremely intense exercise though, because what you're doing is every time you're doing a jumping jack, you are actually taking a jump. Literally jumping jack, you are jumping. Now, what a lot of people don't know is jumping movements in general are actually very hard on the CNS. CNS is your central nervous system. It's actually very hard. And when people, personal trainers, I'm a personal trainer, personal trainers, for example, when they make programs for people, they will actually make sure there's not too many jumping movements inside the program, just because it is hard on the central nervous system. Another exercise that's hard on the central nervous system is the deadlift. You would not deadlift every single day because it's so hard on the body. Just like jumping movements, you wouldn't do a ton of jumping movements every single day. So with that being said, how many jumping jacks per day for beginners? I would do the jumping jacks every other day. So do it Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Do the jumping jacks every other day. So how many should you do though for a beginner? With beginners, the number one mistake that they always make is they pick a set amount of jumping jacks and they just do this over and over and over again for a month, 2 months, 3 months. And then they wonder why they don't see really any progress at all. It's same with push-ups. You'll see all the time people do 100 push-ups a day for 30 days or 200 push-ups a day for 30 days. Or you'll even see people running 5 kilometers running every single day for 30 days. The reason why none of this really works is because your body is extremely good at adapting. It's actually amazing. That's kind of how we have survived for so long, is because our bodies are amazing at adapting to the situation. So let's say you do 100 jumping jacks every single day for 3 months. After the first day or two, what happens is your body has adapted to that amount of volume. Your body has adapted to doing 100 jumping jacks. So for the rest of the 2 to 3 months, your body's not going to grow at all. It's not going to get any better because you've done the exact same thing. So the main thing to do, it doesn't matter how many jumping jacks you do on the first day. The second day, the third day, the fourth day, that's what matters. Every single day, you should be increasing that jumping jack number, the jumping jack number, by at least 2 to 3 jumping jacks. So if on the first day you do 50 jumping jacks, and again, you don't have to do them 50 in a row. You can do, say, 3 sets of 15 or 20 reps. It doesn't matter. You don't have to do all of them in a row. The next day, try to do 3 more reps. That doesn't mean 3 more reps across every single set. That just means the total amount of jumping jacks you did, try to do 3 more. So let's say, for example, on Monday, day 1, you did 3 sets of 15 reps for jumping jacks. So set 1, 15 reps, set 2, 15 reps, set 3, 15 reps. I would take the next day off. So Tuesday I would take off. Wednesday, I would try to do 3 extra reps. So what you could do if you did 15, 15, 15 on Monday, on Wednesday do a set of 16, a set of 16, a set of 16. So each set you added 1 rep, and in total you added 3 total repetitions. That's what I would do, and I just keep doing this every single day. After a while of doing this, you're going to be doing a lot of jumping jacks, and you're going to start to get abs. I guarantee you that. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.